Okay. Can everybody see it okay? Alright. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So films, you got a dictionary of films, and the key is a string. It's a movie, and the value is a list of integers. Okay. And then you've got a while loop, endless while loop. Okay. Choice. Input. Which type of movie do you want to watch? .strip.title. Okay. If choice in films, age equals input, how are you? Strip. Check user age. If age is greater than films, choice 0. Okay. Num seats films equals choice 1. If number of seats is greater than 0, print enjoy the film. Else print sorry we're sold out. Okay, this is ticket machine. Got it. Cool. So line 14. Oh man, I gotta count lines. If age is greater than films. Okay. If age is greater than films, choice 0. Greater than equal to not supported instances of string and int. Okay. So that means we're trying to compare a string, which is, letters and numbers, to a number. So I want to try to explain this in a way so that you can see what the problem is. So you see the type error is greater than or equal to not supported between instances of str and integer, right? So you can't compare words to a number, or you can't compare a string to a number, right? Even if that string is a number. You see what I'm saying? So if we're looking at your code here, we say if age is greater than or equal to film's choice 0. One of those is a number and one of those is a string. Can you figure out which one is a string? Do you know which one is a string? It would. But when you use input, what type of object does it return? When you're asking them their age and they put in 10, is that going to make the age variable a string, or does it make it a integer? Actually, okay, let's run this. Can you copy the text into the Discord if you didn't already? All right, let me grab this. Okay, so when we get input for age, all right, after we do that, here's what we'll do. We'll print. This is how you can tell the type of a variable. Okay? Print, or this is how I do it. I'm sure there's an easier way, but this is how I do it. Okay? We can print what the type of age is, right? So, here's the thing. The errors like this are really common, right? I get this all the time. So, because Python is not like a type-safe language, right? You don't declare the type before the variable. So, but it's still important. So, you can do something called typecasting, which we're going to do here in a second. But let's run this and see what happens. Which type of movie do you want to watch? I'm supposed to type in the name of the movie, right? Alright, so this is how old are you? I put 32. And I hit enter. Okay. You see here? Can you see that? So the class is a string. And in order to use greater than or equals, we need a float or an integer, right? So what do? Well, what we do is we do age equals str age. Or no, sorry, not str. Int. My bad. Int. Okay, that's called typecasting. Yeah. So when you get something like this, like a type error, that means one of the things you're, like, it's expecting one type and getting another type. So that's what that means. So let's try it again. Let's run it. What type of movie do you want to watch? Finding Dory. How old are you? 12. There we go. Enjoy the film. Okay. So it's a small change. It's just this right here. Cast to correct type. Yeah, no problem. Hope that made it clear. I know stuff like this can get confusing. Cool.